Hi, so this video will show you a quick tutorial to create hairbrush drawing. So this is assignment 2. So you will need to draw this hairbrush with a brush handle and then brush plate and then teeth. So this is the drawing that I created from Fusion 360. So basically, you will need to create a plate that has a this shape. So you may do well the drawing this one. So this rectangle has 100 by 50 rectangle, and this is the 100 by 10, right? And then we will extrude this brush that thickness was 5 for height, and then we will need to create a 200 teeth. So to make a 200 teeth, we are going to create a T. This one, this consists of a with a cylinder with a sphere. So the a T has a tooth has a cylinder 2 by 10 millimeter. That means diameter is 2 and then height is 10. And then the size of sphere diameter is 3 millimeter, right? This is a one tooth. So let's create this one together on Fusion 360. So I'm going to start from empty canvas and create a sketch on XY plane. Let's create a bottom plate that was 50 by 100. And let me create another one that's gonna be handle. So that will be 10 times 100. Okay, so we are ready. Let's finish sketch and extrude the two part, uh, 5 millimeter. Yep, this is the bottom plate. And the next step is we need to create teeth. So let me create a sketch on top of this plate, and I'm going to place the first tooth on the from the left or top 5 millimeter. So let's take a look at the slide. So yeah, the first one is from the top 5 millimeter from the top, 5 millimeter from the left. Okay, so to make happen, so I'm going to draw a rectangle from the left top. So it's 5 millimeter by 5 millimeter. Okay, and then let me change the types of line to construction lines. Okay, and next I'm going to create a circle to make a cylinder that was 2 millimeter. Okay, and let's finish sketch. So I'm going to extrude this circle to make a cylinder. The height was 10 millimeter. And when you create this one, so should be very careful that you may need to use new body operation. So I added a cylinder. So when you create new body, that makes you new body that this object. So that means you separate from this plate. Because the reason I'm creating is when you copy this one, so if you make a body, that you can easily select this object to copy this object, okay? And I'm going to place a sphere on top of this a cylinder, and then let's zoom up. So the size was 3 millimeter, and then operation is join because I combine this one, okay? And click. Okay, so I created this a tooth. So I'm gonna copy this one 200. So I'm going to use let's use the pattern, the rectangular pattern. and I'm going to copy this one. So when you copy this one, you need to define the types of the object you want to copy, that is body. So maybe default will be face. The face means this one, this a face. But we define this as a new body. You can find this body, this one. So you can select body and then click this one. So click all the cylinder and the sphere together. And the directions gonna be, let's click direction and go this side, and then distance type extend. So quantity, I'm going to copy 19 of this, and distance 90 millimeter, because the plate was 100 and I started from 5 millimeter from the left. And then I'm going to copy horizontally, so 9 copies, and then distance 40. All right, we are ready. So let's click OK button and let's see what happens. So, yeah, I created a hairbrush, so it looks good, right? So that easily copied the same object 200 times using rectangular patterns. Right, thanks for watching.